Okay guys, I'm gonna do a review on the Spynet video watch. I'm gonna turn it on for a second. Okay. It's 11:57. You can see AM 35 seconds. Well, my watch over there says it's 11:58. So this thing is wrong. That's the date. You press this. Okay. There's different buttons right here. You know. Okay. I'm gonna go to camera mode. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, this video mode. I'm gonna record, okay? See what the fuck is going on. I'm recording. That's the camera. Yeah, I'm gonna record myself so you can see me. Ah! Okay. So yeah, that's basically it. Let's watch it now. I'm gonna go to playback. This is it, yeah. Yeah, it's kind of messed up. I'm gonna delete this. Oh, okay. You don't want to watch that. Okay, that's like a home button. You know. And there's the settings button. You go to secrets mode, missions mode. No, what the? It's going. Okay. Games mode. Okay, this is spy apps. You have lie detector, you have bug detector. Bug detector is basically like scanning for something wireless. Right here, I'm scanning something. Scanning like my window. Come on. Okay. This is clock settings. Look. Video settings. Time zone. Button settings. Wait, what was this again? Memory restore. If you press this, whole memory is gonna come out. It's the battery right there. Yeah, I know. This is the microphone speaker. I don't know. Okay. These are like buttons you can like, mess up and stuff. I don't know what this is. Nothing. Okay. Let's go to what the games mode. This is like if you're bored, you can like play. It's really cool. Crap. Damn it, I died. Oh no. Crap. Dang it. Yeah, it was fucking hard. Okay. So I'm gonna go back. I know our camera's getting fuzzy and stuff. I don't know what the hell's going on, but let's wait until it comes back. I think it's coming back. Okay, games mode. There's Spynet defense, shooter, infiltrator. This is hard. What I'm saying, you have to like escape. Like cameras are going all over, and this thing is going all over. There's like lasers. Shit. Ah, fuck. Yeah, okay, it's freaking hard. Shooter, later, hacker. I don't really get. You have to like, I don't know. You have to duplicate what it does. So it says duplicate. Do it, and then I won. I don't get this. I mean, that's kind of messed up, but just go back. Friends. On this combat, you have to like how much you can live without like getting punched or anything. Shit. There you go. It's hard. Kinda. Here, like block it. Yeah. Shit. Yeah, I have been defeated. Okay, I don't give a crap. Combat hacker. So yeah, that's basically all. Oh, and where is it? Fuck, I kinda messed up. Dang it. Okay. Go to Spy Apps. I like downloaded this one, voice manipulator. What the hell's going on with my camera? Okay, like I can play it. Come on. What's going on? Oh no, it's not working. What the Why my thingy kind of like went off or something. It's pissing me off. Hold on, let me try to fix it. Damn it. Okay, I don't know what happened. Alright, so yeah, that's basically all I've covered. These are the buttons. This is what's this shit called? The clock thingy. You can go, and you can go back there. Look, I'm just gonna wait 30 seconds, and then the thing goes sleep mode. Okay, so that's the settings button right there. You can like fix the watch, anything you want basically. This is the spy thing. Like you can, I don't know, film. No, you can't film in this. Film, you have to go in here. This, you can play games. You can play the spy apps, you know. And my thing is not working. So yeah, okay, whatever. That's basically it, guys. I don't know what the hell's going on with mine. I'm gonna change it anyways. I've been using it for a long time now. So see you later, guys.